बडी वार्म गर्नको लागि एक्सर्साइज गर्दा जहिले पनि श्वास प्रश्वास अर्थात् ब्रेथलाई कन्ट्रोल गर्दै एक्सर्साइज गरियो भने छोटो समयको एक्सर्साइजले नै हामी बडी वार्म अर्थात् गर्मी पैदा गर्न सक्छौँ। जस्तै यसरी जस्तै यो भयो हातको एक्सर्साइज हुने खुट्टाको एक्सर्साइज। सास रोक्दै खुट्टा सिधा गर्नु। त्यस्तै अर्को खुट्टाबाट त्यस्तै अर्को आइटम झट्का दिएर पनि गर्न सकिन्छ। अर्को खुट्टाबाट यसलाई पनि स्ट्रेट ढकाटी गर्ने। अब नेकको लागि सास रोकेर अब कमरको लागि यी भए शरीरको सम्पूर्ण जोइन्ट सेक्टरहरूलाई प्रेसर गर्दै एक्सर्साइज गर्ने तरिका हुने। अर्को भनेको सबभन्दा सरल तरिकाले शरीरलाई गर्मी गर्न वार्म गर्नको लागि गरिने एक्सर्साइजहरू सबभन्दा सजिलो एक्सर्साइज यसरी गर्न सकिन्छ। जस्तै कि सासलाई फेरि यसलाई पनि सासलाई दबाउनुहोस् र कन्टिन्यू 50 चोटि गर्दाखेरि तपाईँको शरीर गरम हुनेछ। र अर्को तरिका भनेको तपाईँको खुट्टालाई अलिकति सामान्य रनिङ गरेको जस्तो गरेर फास्ट गरेर गर्न सकिन्छ। यसरी लगभग 100 को हाराहारीमा गर्दाखेरि शरीर गरम अर्थात् वार्म हुनेछ। र मुख्य पेटको भागलाई एक्सर्साइज गर्दाखेरि अलिकति बढी हुने। यसमा पनि श्वासलाई कन्ट्रोल गर्दै पहिला श्वासलाई दबाउनुहोस्, फेरि छोड्नुहोस्, फेरि दबाउनुहोस्, फेरि छोड्नुहोस्, फेरि दबाउनुहोस्। 3 चोटि गरिसकेपछि अब चौथो पटकमा दबाएर आधीतिर तान्नुहोस्। 5-7 पटक तान्दा तपाईँ थाक्न सक्नुहुन्छ। फेरि खोल्दै फेरि दबाउँदै फेरि 5-7 पटक, फेरि यसलाई पनि 3 चोटि गर्नुहोस्। र अब अर्को तरिकाले पेटलाई घुमाउनुहोस्। यसरी सबै जोइन्टलाई एक्सर्साइज पनि पुग्नेछ र 15 देखि 20 मिनेटको एक्सर्साइजले तपाईँको शरीर गरम पनि हुन्छ अर्थात् वार्म हार्ट पनि हुनेछ, जसले तपाईँको शरीरको तापक्रमलाई एकदम कन्स्टेन्टली अप राख्नको लागि सहयोग गर्नेछ। थ्याङ्क यू। त्यसरी प्यानमा 3 ग्लास पानी, 3 cup of water, 1, 2, 3 पानी हालिसकेपछि त्यसरी काटेर टुक्रा बनाएको जिन्जर पिसेस यति जति अलिकति पानीमा हाल्ने, बेसार पाउडर, टर्मरिक पाउडर, जीरा पाउडर, a little bit salt and a bucket. अब यसलाई उम्लिन्जेलसँग एकछिन वेट गर्ने। The boiled besar pani should keep like this open pan, boil and keep in with the ginger. Towel and take your breath. You get the help. अब फाले फाले एउटा नाक बन्द गर्ने, एउटा नाकबाट मात्रै। Next, pressure low decrease. You can stop your state. It's it. In this way, if you take the hot steam by this Besar Pani, it goes to the inside your lungs in the micro cell that will give you the hot in the every parts. Because this is the importance to do the breathing in steam taking. If you take the normal taking, it will just give you the warm in your throat. If you take like this, the long, it will go to the directly in the lung. And if you do like this, and hold like this, such way, if you take the steam inside the long time inside the lungs in the micro level of cell, that will give you the immunity power highly in a certain time. And this is the homemade system, homemade medicine for Nepal. In Nepal, when we get the normal flu and seasonal flu, also we use this medicine in home like this. And the coronavirus has affected like the same way like a normal virus, but that will give you the defective another effect in lungs that will totally damage and people get the death. But if you take like this, the Besapani with this, that will erase the virus inside yourself in lungs, and that will give you the immunity power. That's the important, because all the coronavirus effect like that. 50% people never get the symptoms coronavirus is affected or not. 40% little bit get the symptoms with the affected, and 10% only people get the severe problem, and some of people will get the treatment by the medicine, and chosen few, less than 5% people will get the death. If you want to raise your immunity power, you can raise the normal effect. We can erase the normal effect of the coronavirus, and we can raise the high immunity power and fight against the coronavirus. Because by heat, virus will kill. By heat, virus will kill. First, the exercise. If you go to the warm your body, virus get the effect is less. If you do like this, steam, hot steam, that will raise your immunity power to fight against the virus. That's why I am doing this video, to check out the all over the world for this homemade medicine will give you the high level of treatment for this coronavirus. And this is the most important use. Who are affected, they do first day 3 times, morning, day and evening, and then they start to exercise. Who is affected affected by the coronavirus, they should take 2 times, morning and evening, first day, and they can start the exercise also. Before to take this, if they do the exercise, it's already whatever they have the coronavirus around the mouth, throat, that will go deeply, directly to those lungs in the micro level cells. That will totally damage, and that is the high risk. If you do first the treatment and they do the exercise, that will erase the coronavirus and gain the power of fight against the coronavirus. And this has got the 2 rules to use those all of the people in the world who are not affected by the coronavirus. They can do once a day and continue 3 days. 3 days for this medicine. And who is living in quarantine or isolation, they should do first day 2 times, morning and evening, and 3 days more. And who has got affected by this and get the symptoms and problems was already seen, they should take 3 times, morning, day and evening, and next day they will take morning, evening, and next day they will take once a day and 3 days continue. In this way, if they do the treatment from this homemade system, they will raise their immunity power to fight the coronavirus. And before the exercise, who is affected, they never do the exercise. First, they will take the treatment, then next day they start the exercise. And who is isolation, they took the medicine, this homemade medicine, and they start exercise next day. And who has no problem to exercise, no problem by the coronavirus, they can do the exercise and do the once start the same day. Thank you.